music is painless. Deep in the moonlight, silent and faceless. Can you hear me? Can you hear the stars outside? Because if I fast asleep and you dreamed that you died, will you just open